Clearing your search history on ESPN Plus can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open the ESPN Plus app. Launch the ESPN Plus app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile menu, look for the settings option. Click on it to enter the settings menu where you can manage your account preferences. Step 4. Find search history. Within the settings menu, look for a section labeled privacy or search history. Click on this option to view your search history. Step 5. Clear search history. Once you are in the search history section, you should see an option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option and confirm your choice to remove the history. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on ESPN Plus. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your viewing experience and keep your preferences private.